Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 406. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, the problems, how I did, how you did, how everything in between, and everything. Yeah, just anything you want to put in the comments. Leave a comment or come to Discord where we talk about the contest after it finishes. Yeah, 30 seconds to go. Refresh. Yeah. I mean, I think this contest, my goal is to slow down. I think the last couple of contests, I don't know why, but I've been speeding up. I've been just, I don't know if I call it lazy or just whatever, but I've been submitting before I really check it, and as a result, I just get like very silly 5-minute penalties, which is not great. So yeah. So that's why my goal is for this contest, and we have 1 second. I said it too slowly. Let's go, 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 go. Yeah, okay, fine. How do I swap? All right, take your time, Larry. Remember, that is your one job, is to take your time. And I don't even think that's right, because you just lost to 4. So that's good. I mean, it's very easy to take your time, I suppose, in that case. But 3520. What is the answer? 3520 with a 4 in between. 4. Is this right? 352. Because this does not include this number. I always forget that. Okay. So I have to return a string. Okay, fine. If int of best is greater than int of num, then best is equal to num. Okay. What? Oh. Very easy to get wrong. I'm still worried, but okay. I was definitely a little bit slow, but intentionally on that one, just because it's so silly for my part. Okay, focus. And the head of a linked list. What? What are these head? Oh, this is an array, and this is a very poor representation. Okay. Yeah, just do it lazily. No, you could do it. Okay. 4, 5, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be good. Wow, people are fast. Okay. Need to cut into one pieces. Minimum cost. Okay, so this is a DP problem, or maybe even brute force problem. So horizontal cut, it's vertical cut, so that's gonna cost 5. I mean, it's just DP, but it's just an annoying DP. Okay. 20, 20, 20, 20 to the 5th, is it? I guess that's fast enough, but still a little bit yucky. Let's see, how do I do this? Okay. No, this should be possible because we cannot cut on that, right? So nope. We need a thing which is the base case. So ax plus 1 is equal to ay, and bx plus 1 is equal to by. Then this is just 0 because then now we have 1 by 1s, and then now we cut on the row, right? Yeah, on this. So this is the cost, and what we get is ax to I bx by. Nope. Yeah, maybe. Plus go I ay bx by plus this. Alright. This feels very expensive, to be honest. I don't know how I feel about this. Oops. Oops, I didn't cache. What a new move. I mean, it's still wrong, but because I don't. Why am I not? Because it's not. So if. What am I doing wrong here? Huh? this give me? Even this is wrong. So 0, 2, 0, 2. Okay. So it goes from 1. Should it be an easy problem, but I don't know. So then now this is for some reason now recursing. Is that right? Am I off by 1? Probably. Yeah, okay. So that means that this is now recursion. AXPX. A. Nope. Dummy. Okay. Out range at least means something else. This index out range. What does that mean? Right, right? No, that should be right. No, this should be right. Ideally. Or maybe not, who knows. 2, 2. 0, 0. 1, 2. Alright, 0 is 1, 1. Oh, that's true. Why is, no, why is this returning? Oh, this is dumb. Larry, you're dumb. Okay, still outbound, but vertical cut is, am I messing this up? C, vertical cut is Y, vertical cut is column, so yeah. Right? Well, it's 2, 2 anyway, so that doesn't make sense. But what is our balance port? Line 17. Well, I'm definitely forcing myself to be slow by not getting it. So, guess that's good. Feels right. Is it this part? And this part? No, you need to add those. So why is this wrong? 0, 2. What is I? One. So it goes. This index goes out. So vertical cut is wrong. Line 18. Why is vertical cut wrong? So this is 0, but we want it to 1. Oh, okay. So this is this minus 1 because it'll never be 0. Okay, fine. Okay, so 15 is 15, right? All right, fine. Now is this fast enough? Who knows? That took a while, honestly. 13, 15. We might as well generate something. R0, 20, C0, 20. Trying to be a little bit responsible and be a little bit slower. I mean, I guess that's fast enough. I don't know. We'll see. 13 and 15, right? Okay. YOLO. Please work. And no timeout. Okay. Wow. People really don't. Oh, there's a Q. Oh, Do people? Is this a known answer? I forgot that there's a double, but I guess people just know this one. Yeah, I guess people just know this one. And M and N could be really big, so that's actually I didn't even think about it, to be honest. It took a long time on the silly one. And 152 people got it. So each cut has to be done, right? And then it's just about number of times you have to do each cut. So okay, so that means that by vertically cutting here, so maybe it's like a sorting thing, but so 7 and then 4 4. How do I do the math here? Maybe I could have done it thinking the other way, but this is gonna be a disaster. Maybe it's a known problem, I don't know. This can be 5. It's just sorting in a way. You want to do the most expensive cut first and then just worry about everything else later. Does that really make sense? I guess so, by the exchange argument. No, but that's because these are symmetric, right? So you have to do the horizontal and the vertical cut in different order, maybe, depending on the weight of these things. So basically, every time you have a vertical cut, it increases the horizontal cut by 1, times it by 2, right? So then the cheapest is going to be, I'm putting a lot of pressure on myself and it's just making me slower. I think that's the right idea. I'm just so slow today. Okay. Because it's just like the exchange argument thing, and you always wanted to sort by the cuts on the thing. So okay, so maybe we do a horizontal cut, sort, because it doesn't really matter. And then now you have, let's just say, and then now we just kind of compare, right? Which is, so the cost is going of the horizontal cut that we could do it now is just the number of vertical cuts that we've done before. I mean, it's greedy, but I'm trying to prove the greedy in my head and it's a little bit messy. Like the okay, so okay. So every time you don't cut, you create it by 1, right? So okay. We want to so then now we want the front, and then now if the front is greater than and we cut if they're equal, does that matter? I guess not, because you just get to it, you know, eventually in some order. Is that true? If everything is the same, And the order doesn't matter. Okay, fine. Maybe you're right, Larry. This isn't done yet. I just want to see if it pans out okay. Okay. So this is the 7 and then just the 5. That looks okay. But we also have a magic weapon, so I guess I can check this. It is core Q3, so okay. Yeah, I mean, a little bit slow. I didn't recognize that problem. Maybe is it a ChatGPT problem? Oh, BetSim, I see him. Congrats, BetSim. I guess is it a known problem? I don't know. But or is it a ChatGPT problem? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah, I'm just gonna just for fun. I want to see solve this. It's saying MST for some reason. But is it doing it right? No, it's not. I don't know. Maybe you can ask it to make it right. I'm just curious though. I mean, people were just fast. I have nothing to say. Congrats, Betsim. I mean, about myself. I mean, obviously, congrats to people. A remix. I don't know, but I think one thing that I don't know how this. I don't know. Inconsistent, eventually consistent. I mean, I forgot that Q3 and Q4 are the same. I think if I had done that, maybe I would have thought about it. I was too busy writing the dynamic programming one. Though I guess it and I was spending too long in debugging it, honestly. 9 minutes was kind of slow. And the greedy one was, I got the greedy one faster. I mean, some of it is, no, I mean, it was a new problem in the way that you have to think about it. So I think it was just, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I definitely could have been faster if I had remembered that Q3 and Q4 are the same. Because then, I don't know. I mean, this should not have taken 9 minutes to write. Also, to be honest, I just got a 20 to the 5th is a little bit tight. I think that's the reason why. Even though there is some fraction on that one, so maybe that should have been okay. But I also got -1 in a weird way, so I don't know. The leaderboard is taking a while to update, so just BetSim is the only one that I noticed. But yeah, a lot of people got it within 5 minutes, which I don't know. I mean, Q4 it's so awkward because Q4 is 5 minutable, but I don't know. I feel like if you don't have a track record, it's hard to believe, it's hard to believe anyone can do it in 5 minutes. Not to say that no one can do it in 5 minutes, just that, if you're not doing these in 5 minutes out of nowhere, is what I'm saying. But I don't know. But that doesn't really matter for me. What I can do is focus on myself. I got no wrong answer, so wow, 680 solutions. So I don't know. So I might not be doing super well on this one just because on timing. I mean, that's the thing is also that I spent a good amount of time trying to prove greedy on Q4. I mean, this doesn't really help, but I imagine if someone YOLO, it'll be pretty much quicker. This is, yeah, I don't know what to say. Like I did okay, but this does not include China, so that means my rating probably goes down a little bit, but that's fine. Q1 people were very well, I mean, I don't know. I want to say people are very fast, but you know, it always seems like it's just a couple of people who you know, I don't know. It's hard to say if people actually got it fast or just some people kind of, you know. Q2 in 1 minute is kind of tight. Oh, I guess so, but you could do that one in a minute. I mean, even I did it in a little bit over a minute, and I was debating whether I should do it this way or the other way. Yeah, I spent too long on Q3 to be honest, but I don't know. There is some sketch going on, if you ask me. I don't know, but like I said, it doesn't really matter to me. All you can do is focus on yourself and learning. And I'm just trying to figure out how to, you know, how to be a little bit like. I mean, I think. I think it's just all implementation for me in terms of improvement. This one I probably should have done this much quicker. I was just having a little bit of doubts. This one, I mean, that's fine. This one on the timing, I feel like I'm okay with the timing. It could be faster, but yeah, I mean, I think some of it is just meta strategy. I just didn't realize Q3 is equal to Q4. Otherwise, like if I solve them at the same time, or at least think about, or because I think the Q4 thing, and it's not always true that you can solve them at the same time and save time, in a way, because sometimes you just have to discover things together. But I think Q3, I just spent too long on implementing this one. This was like almost 10 minutes on a very trivial DP. But the thing is that the greedy solution is also trivial to implement, right? So that means that I saved no time by doing this. So it's a little bit meta. If I had realized that they're the same problem, I think just, and for this particular problem, just realizing that you can do it greedy, you know, just realizing that you can doing greedy is just such a different way doing it. It's not just like changing something minor, right? So and it, yeah, I don't know, but this should not have been 9 minutes anyway. So maybe that should, like, in theory, even if I was slow, I probably should get in like 5 minutes, say, and that would improve my time by a bit. Yeah, my time keeps on going down just because a lot of people is getting it because it's greedy, right? And there's really no other possible solutions. I think that's why this problem is just such a bad problem. There's really no other solutions that you can really make up. But you know, and people got it fast. I don't know if the fast part, whatever, but definitely, there's no other possible solutions. Like maybe you could greedy in a slightly different way, but now that you know I got it, like there's really no other way of implementing it. Now I don't get why this is a Q7. It's just a very dubious Q4. Nah, oh well. That's what I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. No wrong answer though, so at least that was what I was going for. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.